Here's another for the projector series. This is the Groview 4K projector with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth support. 15,000 lux, FHD 1080p portable projector, capable of producing an image as big as 300 inches. Also has iOS and Android support, so you can mirror your phone and whatnot. And we'll talk more about the specs, but let's go ahead and unbox this thing. The box is very minimal, and I'm all for it. It's all black with a perfect sleeve on top. And let's take the sleeve off so we can get into the box. Right, so here's the projector. Pretty generic, a Wi-Fi projector. Well, you've advertised this enough. Home theater, teaching in office. Okay, yeah, so nothing exciting on the box. So yeah, I'm gonna fast forward this part. Alright, so here's the projector. Nothing else, empty box. And let's put that away. And the audio kind of got messed up when I was unboxing this, so I wasn't able to record the ever so satisfying unboxing ASMR, but voiceover will do for now. So let's go ahead and open this packet here. We have a very generic remote with soft touch buttons, a good quality power cable, an HDMI cable. I have enough of them lying around, so I'm not gonna open that. And yeah, this ancient thing no one needs, so we'll just put this back and set it aside. So here's the projector, and let's go ahead and take the projector out of this. And here it is. A very contrasting choice of color here, with capacitive buttons, just an on-off, a multi-directional in case you want to use the projector itself and the remote doesn't seem to be working, an AV button and a return, if I'm not mistaken. And this is something I don't like about this one, is manual keystone and focus adjustment, so yeah, we'll have to deal with it. And we have a power slot, 2 USBs, 2 HDMIs, which are always welcome, and an exhaust grill on the side. And here's the front with a very exciting pattern. It seems like music waves or sound waves, and with a lens cover, and I think that's an infrared receiver because there's no autofocus. So yeah, you can take these off, the soft cushion shoes, and you can mount this to a wall or however you like. And here's the model number, so feel free to pause and take a screenshot. And that's it, that's the projector. And let's do a picture and sound test. So here's me starting up the projector and projecting it to the only clear white wall I could find, which is right above my bed, so enjoy. Alright, so I gotta say that the colors on this thing are actually very good. They pop out, and this is without any sort of color adjustment or anything. And do bear in mind, this is being projected directly on a white wall and right in front of a window, so there's some ambient light in the room. This projector, I think, is capable of a lot better than what you see here. And another thing I noticed is the lamp is plenty bright. It's pretty good. It's very clear, considering it's being projected directly on a white wall. Of course, you can have a better reflective fabric or a cloth or any sort of projector screen to make that image that much better. Depends on what you're projecting at. A wall is never a good idea, but given the circumstances, this is performing really well. I do want to mention that I couldn't get the sound to work with my Amazon Fire Stick. I tried everything. I tried updating it. I tried with firmware. I went on every single setting I could find, and it would not work. And just to make sure that things were right on the Fire Stick, and I tried the Fire Stick with another projector, and it worked perfectly fine. So I don't know if it's a projector thing, but I was able to get the sound working plugging it with a laptop through an HDMI cable. So yeah, let's go ahead and do a sound test.
So run with me. If we leave right now, we might make it in time. The sunset is fading, but the lights aren't gone. The ocean waves have just begun. The water is calling, the night is young. So if I lay down, will you come? So if I lay down, will you come? So if I lay down, will you come?
So the sound is actually not bad given it's coming out of a projector and not an actual soundbar. Now, of course, you can't expect too much. It is an Amazon budget projector. It isn't something too impressive. The bass isn't the best. You can definitely spot the difference playing it onto a projector speaker compared to a soundbar. But hey, you know, if you don't want to spend money on a soundbar, this is not bad. This will suffice, I think. So yeah, guys, that's my review for the Groview projector. I do not believe that this is a 4K projector, even though the Amazon listing claims for it to be. These listings often do claim for the specifications to be a lot more than what a technology would pack. So yeah, here's my review for it. I hope this was helpful. If you guys are looking for a projector, this is not a bad choice. So yeah, there it is. Hope you liked it. And if this was helpful in any way, please do subscribe and like the video. That helps my channel a lot. And thank you so much, guys. Until next time.